Hello. Hey guys, welcome to my apartment. So when you first walk in, it's basically just this big hallway that you see, if you can tell. So yeah, that's what you see when you first walk in. And then over here is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So we have some cabinets here and they're just all white. Everything was kind of like repainted and stuff. Over here, we have obviously just our appliances. You know, the necessities that you need in a kitchen. Over here is our little like nook area, so we can put like a kitchen table, a small kitchen table. I think it'll be cute if we can find a cute one. So that's our kitchen. Also, I'm sorry about the traffic. You can probably hear I have the door open for all of the good lighting, and we live on a main street. So next room is the living room, this way. This is my living room! So this is the living room. Not really too much to show. We have a really big, nice window right here that I'm not going to show because you can see everything outside because there's no curtains. So yeah, that's what this living room looks like. I think it's really cute. We're going to put like a TV over there. That's your cue to show over there. Guys, I really hope this footage is okay. We're gonna put a mirror where my nan is standing, so like kind of your view. A couch over here, and then yeah, we have our front door over here, and a closet right here, and the closet's actually pretty big, so like, I don't know, it's like decent size. So that is that closet, which I think is nice, and we're gonna go to the hallway. So this is our little archway right here, which I think is cute. And this is the hallway. So this is bedroom number 1. I will show a little overlay. And this is what it looks like. Not my room. So we made our way up the hallway this way, and this is bedroom number 2. This is what it looks like. Also, not my room. So this is my room. It's at the end of the hallway, and this is what it looks like. The rooms are pretty tiny, but I'm kind of excited for that because I spend too much time in my room currently, and I want to spend less time in my room. So I feel like if I have a small room with just exactly what I need in it, then I'll just spend less time in it, if that makes sense. So we just did a little switcheroo. So I was just in my room, which is what your view is now. So we're gonna walk down the hallway. This was bedroom number 1 that I showed you guys, and then this is our bathroom. So it's pretty much right when you walk in, and this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. The floor is my favorite part. Look at you, Nan, and your little, you went down. Guys, she's learning. And we have a really nice, would you call this a vanity? I think they like put it in new, which I really like. And then we have a little mirror right here. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's actually a pretty good sized bathroom. So thumbs up. This also opens and it's just cute. So this is where I just was standing, obviously, in our bathroom. And I'm gonna give, ooh, I just almost fell, my nan the camera again. And she's gonna leave.
I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah, I live with my nan currently. Well, and my parents, but my nan lives with us, right? Alright guys, well that's gonna bring my first ever apartment tour to a close. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I can't believe that I'm standing in my first apartment, but I'm so excited for what this next, I guess, chapter holds for me. So I will see you guys probably very soon in a moving vlog.
Hi.
Look at her. This is my nan.
Oh my word, don't.